What's going on, guys? It's me, Revenge Viper, and today I'm doing a different type of video. I'm in a car driving. I'm gonna do some driving video. I mean, just chilling. I'm driving out right now, just going around doing some random stuff, and thought I'd try this. I mean, I know it's not a great recording setup, obviously, right now. I mean, you're looking at like the bottom of my disgusting chin currently and everything, but I'm here in a 2017 Ford Fusion, the 1.8 liter inline 4. I mean, it doesn't really matter, it's just a 4-cylinder either way, but I'm gonna try this, doing a little bit of car vlog, just talking and chilling while I'm going down the road. So right now I'm heading out to go get Dairy Queen, because we had a free blizzard. It's pretty neat. So I'm doing that. Sorry if the lighting's absolute trash. It's like 7 o'clock, so the sun's going down, how it be. But I'm just gonna kind of rant a little bit about content creation, how I'm absolutely horrible about it. I really want to be into it. I want to do it, but editing is fucking annoying. It's not hard or anything. It's just fucking annoying. Because you gotta sit there and I'm not an expert of the program, so it's like, oh, we go learn the program, you'll get better at it. But it's like, the program doesn't always feel worth learning because because I think I have Vegas 13 or 15 or something. I don't remember how much I have, but it's okay. It's not great, but I just don't want to learn it to the extent that I really want to. It's weird. I want to do it, but I don't. And then it's hard for me to come up with content to record because all my friends they don't really want to do anything, or they start spraying racial slurs, which again, that's part of the editing thing. I can, bleep that out, but it's sometimes you just I don't want to do that because it detracts from the comedy sometimes. Because me and my friends, we'll have fun, we'll have cracking jokes and everything like crazy, but it's I won't always be streaming or recording. I haven't recorded anything in a while, and I finally freed up space on my computer to where I can record some gameplay for stuff. I don't know what to play. Lately, personally, I've been playing Borderlands 2 because the hype for Borderlands 3 is out, about it coming out soon, and the new DLC, which is very fun to play. It's a good DLC. It does well for what it needs to do. It makes the idea of how all your characters that were OP8, they're now irrelevant. It makes it easier to get them to a point of where you want to play them again. So that's handy. It makes me feel like I didn't waste my time. Is a lot of time getting gear, because you can easily farm a lot of gear again, which is, again, like I said, very, very nice. That's a thing you can do. So that that's always nice to be able to just be like, oh, well, I put a lot of work in, I don't want to throw it away. Well, you can easily get a lot of gear that's going to be on level through very, very simple farming methods, like Uranus spot, or what's the name, Cassius. The route to even do Cassius, you can there's chests to loot, and let's see, the raid boss, as far as I know, isn't too hard. I haven't really done too much of the raid boss because I always just I just spend my time doing other stuff. I decided to play on the character I haven't fully leveled up yet, so I'm playing through that, leveling him up. So I don't really see a point in doing that right now, since I'm just developing the character still. Alright, I can vibe with it. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but very interesting. Car so much acceleration now. I'm gonna get back to the gaming stuff real quick. I'm gonna talk about this car. I love driving it. It's very strange compared to my car, because my car is a fucking 2003 Focus with a 2-liter inline 4, which is bigger than this. You're like, oh, it's probably made to be better, but it's not tuned as near as well. This has got a turbo in it, which is you feel the turbo. You'll be going, you're going, and that turbo kicks in, and you'll blast. Like, you're like, oh, I'm not really getting anywhere. Then you'll zoom. It's got the sports mode, which is nice because it changes the RPMs and the gear ratios. But it's a fun car to drive. Front wheel drive, which is kind of annoying. It's automatic, but it's not too bad. It's better than mine, because it's just, it's got more comfort too. The Bluetooth, stereo, the infotainment, the AC that works, because mine doesn't have that yet. I just gotta put it in. It's not hard to do. It's like $100 or less. But it's a nice car to drive, because it's got some get up and go if you need to. And I accidentally spin the tires in it sometimes. I don't I'm not out here like speeding, doing like 80 everywhere or anything, but it gets up and goes when I need it to, if I need it to. And it gets up speed limit quick, which I like. I like to do spirited acceleration. Get up there, speed relatively quick, but I'm not like doing something outrageous, like again, like 80 or anything. Just chilling. That's all I do. But there's one of my coworkers. They don't realize that I am here. It's pretty funny to me. But yeah, it's a fun car to drive. Mine's not bad to drive. It's just a little uncomfortable compared to modern cars. But I want to work on getting something like a little more go. I want to get something with a V8. Doesn't necessarily have to be super fast. I just want something. Well, I say up and go, but I want a manual that has. I want a manual with a V8. That seems like kind of a tall order, because it's more expensive, because it's to purchase, because it's probably it's probably gonna be like a Mustang or something, but or even like an old Pontiac Firebird, which is gonna be I even take a V6 of that, because I want that more for the look and the idea than the speed, because I know they're not fast cars. I gotta repark this bitch. It's like a fucking boat. It's so annoying. Like, it's not a super massive car, but it's a full size sedan. I'm not used to this shit. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in here and then continue when I get back. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, well, I'm back. And it's gonna be a very, I don't know what this video is at this point. It's not just any old Moto vlog now. So I've got a blizzard here. If I can put that there. There we go. See me a little better, hopefully. So new. Zero gravity. Let's see it. I'm gonna die. Easy fix. Math conversion. Alright. Let's see. How's this thing taste? Well, it was good. I mean, it's kind of weird because it's like a fruity blizzard. Or I get blizzards usually like chocolate, but it's like a blue raspberry with Oreos in it, and I'd say it's pretty darn good. I mean, it's definitely not the worst thing I've had. So I'm not going to explain about it too much. Bite here. From there's just spoonful. And we get back on the road. Yeah, real good though. Alrighty, well, that was taste tester. First impression, it's good. Limited time only. It's good though. Like that's something I think I would probably order more consistently if it was all year. For now, because it doesn't exist all the time, I'll stick with my M&M that I also got because it was a buy one get one. By any size, you get a free small, so got myself a medium. Yeah, free small. And I'm not gonna super complain about it because either way, I get both. So. Man, I'm gonna put it in sports mode. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully, I don't spin the tires. I think the road's gonna merge. I want to get up here before these other people do, so they don't have to worry about them merging over in front of me. Woo! All right, lane close. Just the right lane or both right lanes? I don't know. But either way, I had to get up here and get out of the way so I can merge over. Ooh. Yeah, had to go all the way to the left. That's very interesting. this is going to work when I need to turn right. 3-lane road. But I can only use the very left lane. I got to turn right. Interesting. Let's see how this goes. But yeah, this car, I don't know if you heard it, it's pretty audibly satisfying. For being a 4-cylinder, 1.8 liter, I mean, small vehicle, small engine, not small vehicle, small engine, but it's very enjoyable to drive. It's gotta go. I dislike the front wheel drive part. I'd rather have rear wheel drive, especially in Florida. But right now, this works. So we gotta go right. There's an accident now too. Ooh. That poor Audi A4. That's upsetting. I feel bad for that guy. He looks like he's probably maybe in his mid-20s. Maybe. Probably totaled out his Audi. That's unfortunate. That's very unfortunate. That's what I really would love if I can't get something with like a V8, like a Mustang or older Camaro or old even Charger or Challenger or something like. I need an order something like that. In the V8 and I'd feel pretty happy. But if I can get that, I'm trying to get a late 90s, early 2000s Audi, probably A4 Quattro, which is all-wheel drive. It's I love that, especially for being in Florida. That'd be really nice because rain in Florida, you want traction. You don't want to wheel spin. So if you have all wheels going, you're gonna go too. You're gonna grab well and just go, which would be nice. But that's just a toss-up of gotta save money and then maybe sell my current car, which I'm not against. Like I like my car; it's nice. It's my first car. It runs and everything, but. That's what it is. I wouldn't mind getting rid of it if it gives me something better for a little bit extra money on top of just the selling of the vehicle. It's just I gotta come to that point where I have the extra money for another vehicle and can sell mine relatively quickly. Mine was $660. We agreed $650, but ATMs don't give out $10 bills, so I had to go with the $660, and I paid them that, and got me my car. And I had to put tires on it, do an oil change. The normal stuff you should do to a car anyway. It's just normal maintenance. Evidently everybody going down where I was just going is also trying to turn right. Which is very funny to me. I mean, you hear that? Little 4-cylinder. Getting it. Just getting it. Just getting a little loud there, the turbo even. I like it though. Every once in a while when you hear that whistle from the turbo, it's pretty satisfying. But yeah, I don't think this is too bad of an idea for this video. I mean, like, it's something. It's gonna go up. It's gonna be garbage, but it's going up, right, guys? No, but like, yeah, it's not the greatest video. It's gonna be kind of bad because the way the camera is, you're only seeing me on like a small part of the screen. Corner of it, but now you're just looking at the sun. That is always fun. Let's see if I can get around this corner. See if we can get yeah, but I think anytime I'll drive this car, I'll probably do more of these. I don't have a thing in my car to do it, so I can't mount it anywhere. So I can't do it in my car. But when I'm in this, I reckon I'll start doing this more often, because this is kind of fun, just being able to talk and everything. Like, just talk about between, like, the car, how the car's going, and, like, driving, because, like, I keep going on about this car, just, yeah, while I'm driving it, like, the handling's smooth, whatnot, you know. Every time I drive it, it feels like there's something else I could say that's good about it. So there's that. But I reckon but then I'll eventually have to get the thing for my car. That will be a different story. That'll be an interesting one to try to talk good about. Because, I mean, it runs for 660. It's like, that's nice. That's about it. Ran for 660. I'm not going to complain about it. So, that's that. But I reckon I could probably find stuff about it. It's good stuff to say about my personal car. If I really was in it and everything. But I could always talk about the bad things. Like, man, the bad things I don't like about this one is that it's front wheel drive. I wish it was either all-wheel or rear. But they like to make American cars front-wheel drive, so that way they're quote-unquote cheaper. They also don't have to worry about the drivetrain getting as messed up, because they don't have to worry about it going back to the rear. They don't have two differentials. It's not bad. I would prefer if it was all or rear. Stupid meanie head. But I'm gonna work on round it out here, because I'm getting close to my house. Moral of the story is I plan on trying to find something that's gonna go up on the channel relatively more consistently than, you know, once every like 3-4 months. I need to talk to my friend about if he'll edit my videos, because he has more experience with the program and editing in general. So if I could get him to do that and, like, be on board, it'd be really I had a stroke there. Really handy. But I'm not gonna pressure him about it too hard. If he doesn't want to do it, he doesn't have to do it. I'll just give him something to do, because he doesn't do very much anyway. So something to do. But that, and I think I'm gonna start uploading more of my VODs for my live streams. When I do stream, which I'm sort of inconsistent about, because my work is inconsistent about the schedule. I don't have a consistent schedule. It's sometimes I work nights, sometimes I work days, but it's not the same every week. It's something different every week. But that's a good right there. But yeah, I'm gonna start trying to do that. Maybe go through my live streams, and maybe find some, you know, like funny moments and stuff, because that's a lot of it. It's just when I'm playing for a long period of time, it really boys, like, we're having fun playing the game, but then it's like it gets to the point where we're just kind of playing mindlessly, and we just start we have to create fun for ourselves, so we you know, humor ourselves with it. And that's what I'm thinking. There's a Honda Accord. Looks like a 2-door Honda Accord that I bet one of my neighbors who gets cars and flips them has got there. So I'm eyeballing it. I'm gonna cop a Honda Accord, DC Dub.
it's a 4 or 6 cylinder. It's probably better than the inside of my actual car. So I take it either way. Yeah, I am about home now, so well, I guess so. You can start rounding up. If you liked it, the like button, and maybe leave it. Didn't, which I don't really care if you do. I'll make more of them. Dislikes. Leave a comment below if there's anything you want me to talk about in my next video, like this specifically. So, yeah. I've been Revenge Viper. If you want to see more of this stuff, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.